Y'all see it, man. Day 6, Project OBS. We still outside with it. Y'all been following us, man. Y'all know we doing a 90-day DIY build, man, right here in the yard with it. We done got the bed off. We done got the frame purple power pressure wash. We done brought that grind out, got rid of a lot of that surface rust, got it primed up. About to get these doors off, fenders, front end, do the same thing on this front side, man. Y'all stay around, we'll be back in a minute. Hey, y'all see it, man. First fender coming on off. First fender off. About to get these other ones off. Get these fender wells out, front bump off. We'll be back in a minute. I'm getting excited. Hey, y'all see it, man. We back. Y'all see it, man. We working. We getting these fenders off, front end off, man. Let's go. All right. Fender number 2 off. Y'all see it, man. Fender 2 off, bumper coming off, ready to support off. We'll be back in a minute.
I don't go to no club, I be taking these drugs, finally keeping it still tight. Every night before I sleep, I think about the north side where I grew up, no whole side. God put you to sleep before you can sleep, pull up when you be in his own sight. You don't want to take it down on.
Hold on, man.
Oh.
All right, y'all. Y'all see it. We got fenders off, bumper off. Getting this light wine harness out the way. We'll get this radiator support off. We headed to Harbor Freight and Lowe's for a part run. Sun coming out. I'm black enough. I see, man. As y'all see, man, fenders off, core support off. She ain't too bad. About to get this thing treated. Gonna get this thing looking like something, man. Y'all wait around. Day 6. We'll be back in a minute. Getting this thing sprayed down. Let it sit. All the suspension coming off. We got new suspension going on. Get this firewall painted, cleaned up. Sheesh, this a mess. Yeah. I'm in too deep now. I'm in too deep now. Sheesh. What's up, 803 Wood Games? Y'all see it, man. What we on, day 6? Day 6, Project OBS. We out here sun up to sundown, man. We getting this frame treated. My partner just hit me up and say, hey, he got some secret sauce for me. So I'm about to hit him back, see what he got going on. Hey, man, y'all see it. Appreciate all the love, all the comments, all the inboxes. Hey, man, we on it. Y'all wait around for it. Day 8 on the way. Oh, I'm sorry, day 7 on the way.